Hey, look, I take a victory where I can get a victory. And for the fact that we had to come all the way to the vice president coming down, even though we know he's going to vote for the votes, you know what I'm saying, boss, whatever the name is. He still had to do that for the first time in history. Let's make history. Let's at least, when history gets written, when you look about, Mad King.
Police.
What?
Police.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you can open the door and talk to us.
What?
Can you open the door, please?
Do you have a warrant?
No, but I can go get one.
Alright. Can you do that?
Okay, we'll be back in about 15 minutes with one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, go ahead and flush that marijuana you got in there, sir.
I don't have any marijuana.
Well, I can smell it coming from your door. So along with that, I'm going to call Rhonda Wills with Hagerstown Housing.
Oh, you're threatening me again.
I am telling you, I'm not threatening you, I'm promising you, I will call Rhonda.
You're promising me. Oh, now you're really threatening. Go get a warrant. Remove yourself from my door.
Spray that air freshener.
Spray the air freshener.
Good.
Go ahead.
10-4. He won't answer the door. Dustin, we have a trespass letter we need to serve you. Contact that one.
Refuse to open the
Refuse
door,
sign?
hear his voice. You know his voice, right? I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're a little late, we can already smell it. You're a little late, we can already smell it.
Man, that's some strong cologne you got there. Smell it?
Well, I have a different as a order violation. Would you like me to change it to service to advice?
That gives me a headache just smelling air freshener in there.
You're all still at my door?
That
Yep.
is correct.
Yes, we are.
And what is your probable cause?
We don't have to have probable cause. It's a community area.
This is a common hallway, sir.
What?
This is a common hallway.
What do you mean you don't have to have probable cause?
Stand in the hallway? It's a common hallway.
I need probable cause to stand in this hallway?
What?
Do I need probable cause to stand in this hallway?
I'm saying probable cause to do whatever it is you're doing. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm standing in the hallway. Now I'm smelling cologne. A minute ago I was smelling your marijuana.
Recording in the building, y'all didn't say anything. How come when that woman was trespassing, y'all didn't say anything?
I have no idea what you're talking about, sir.
You're claiming smell. Did you say Rhonda's name? You're gonna get Rhonda, right?
Well, I will eventually here tonight when I sit down at my desk. I will email Rhonda.
Why Rhonda? Why mention her? Why threaten me with her?
I'm not threatening you, sir. I'm just telling you. You can't smoke marijuana inside of Potomac Towers. You can't smoke marijuana inside of Potomac Towers.
Well, I don't. How can you smell marijuana? There is no marijuana being overdue.
Well, then why'd you spray air freshener?
His name, so you're threatening me.
Well, you can take it however you want, sir. I'm just telling you the fact.
I'm trying to say, if you can make up something to come into my house, because you're trying to get a warrant on something you're claiming and threatening me with Wanda, when I already have a case against y'all, and y'all know, pending litigation on the matter,
I'm sure.
and with y'all and y'all's collusion with Rhonda, that I'm well aware of.
Okay.
And you threatened me with Rhonda. You threatened me with Rhonda, claiming a smell just like she did. You never arrested her. You never arrested her. And I do smoke outside. I smoke weed outside all the time.
Okay, well, apparently
So,
a little while ago
I
you were...
do smell like weed. If I
Apparently-
ever has smelled like weed, I'm not surprised because sometimes I smell like weed. Shit, I smoked on the way to the bus stop today.
Okay, well...
For example, because I can't even do it in my own home, and people like you coming and harassing me.
Yep.
I guess Lamb is bringing it over.
Yeah.
So what reason are you still standing at your door harassing me?
Because it's a free hallway, and we can do that. And we have a letter of no trespass to serve you.
Trespasser.
Uh-huh.
I can't hear you.
I said we have a letter of no trespass to serve you.
A trespass what?
No trespass, a letter of no trespass for the Community Action Council. You're not to go there anymore.
Hey, can you not trespass on my property?
This is a...
This is a public building, sir, and I'm pretty sure the Hagerstown Housing Authority would want us here.
Oh, 115 and call back.
We're fine, we're just waiting on that letter.
Turn on my shield there.
I think that's Lamb.
503.
If you somehow do get a warrant based on nothing, based on your abuses here,
Okay.
do know I have an attorney ready I need to call.
I'm sure you do.
Well, go ahead and call them, that's your right, sir, if you want to call
You
them.
sure I do?
Call him.
People can tell you're assholes just by listening to you talk. Because first thing you did was threaten me with Rhonda. I'm gonna call Rhonda.
Goes both ways,
That's
buddy.
the type of assholes you douchebags are.
It goes both ways, buddy.
What?
It goes both ways.
Does it go both
Go
ways?
ahead.
Y'all been harassing me. Y'all threatened my housing. Y'all the one that go around abusing disabled people over
Yes,
nothing.
correct, he's not going to
Who's
answer
the
door.
one?
We'll
Whose
serve
fault
it
is
by
it that
sliding
child
it under the door.
molester
He's on
got
the other
off?
side, and we'll
Who
deal with
didn't
that
have the right decoy? Who didn't do their job right there? Who let an actual criminal off? Y'all did. So meanwhile, these people are getting off of stuff like these actual criminals. So y'all harassing people
He said he was.
and threatening people and abusing your power as law enforcement
he had
officers.
it.
You are public
thought he said he
servants.
was bringing it over.
You are servants of the public and you abuse your
Liam, I
power.
can't hear you over this guy.
Constantly,
Rambling on.
you
Did you
stole
say you're
something
not-
before. That was thievery. That was stealing. When you stole my bong, you weren't allowed to steal that. I'm allowed to have that bong. And Lieutenant Wright even told me that smell that gives off is normal. It has a smell. Y'all said it has a smell. So, y'all gave it back to me. So y'all know that there's a bong or whatever that smells like weed is in here. So y'all know it's in here, but y'all gave it to me.
Now, I've smelled bongs before, and that's the odor of burnt marijuana. Freshly burnt
other than
marijuana.
me smelling like weed because I smoke when I walk about,
Okay, okay,
and other than my bong smelling like weed,
okay.
I don't know why you'd smell weed. But for real, even if I did smoke weed, even if I was smell like weed for that, it's kind of crazy y'all would waste your time with us anyway, especially given the circumstances.
What's the circumstances?
Just for the simple matter that, like I said, there's actual criminals getting off. That dentist, why didn't y'all focus your time on him, your resources on him?
I don't know what dentist you're
We
talking about.
did. We have nothing to do with that. We can't control what the courts do.
Why didn't you get that dentist? He's a real criminal.
Oh, listen, buddy, I'm on your side. I hear you. Trust me. I know that case. I know that case good, but You know, that's why we have a constitution, we have the Court of Appeals, and apparently the Court of Appeals saw it different, so I have no control over that.
By the way, here's an example. I light them all the time. She's gonna talk about waxy undertones. Yeah, do they have Rhonda there too? Yeah, they threatened me with Rhonda. They got Rhonda too? Yeah, we got these hard asses here that are bothering people.
We're on
over
YouTube now.
allegedly, like again, it's odor they love to claim. That's their favorite thing to do because they can just make it up as they please. Just kind of like the Rhonda woman they threatened me with, made up a smell to get in my room while I was gone for 2 hours. Because that's what they do here. They can't catch dentists that want to rape children. They instead want to waste their time coming after disabled people that really don't bother anybody that doesn't bother them, over smells that they make up when they feel like it just because they don't like somebody.
Apparently that smell was bothering.
That's the case because they threatened me with
You're not
Rhonda
gonna
as
get
soon
it
as they got here.
wet
I'll
as you
call
was.
Rhonda.
Yeah, it was,
Yeah, you will call Rhonda, but she's a little bitch, and y'all are her little bitch too. I
That's-
see how this shit works.
that's not very nice, Dustin.
I already
You got
planned
that
on going
report
against
on,
this
right?
county for that, but that's crazy. The way y'all got this
That's what I'm
authoritarian
saying, it's close to the door.
butt buddy stuff going on, that's ridiculous, man. That's not even fair. That shouldn't even be constitutional. Yet y'all do it anyway. Like I said, that dentist just got off. How come y'all ain't going after people like that? How come y'all aren't going after people like that and going against them? Why does it have to be people that don't even do anything? Why does it have to be people that aren't a threat to you? See, you like to go around fucking over people's lives, trying to threaten people's housing, because you're no-dick fucking dickbags. You have no fucking penis, you're fucking steroid. I wish you injected the steroids into your brain that you injected into your fucking muscles, because you're fucking stupid.
I wish I had
Because
steroids.
why'd that dentist get off? Why'd that dentist get off? I'll tell you, there was no decoy. You idiots fucking sent the dentist after the visible person that doesn't exist. That's why he got off. And instead, y'all are wasting your time dealing with me instead of trying to figure out the law so you can deal with people like that. Because the whole reason he got off is because you didn't know what the fuck you were doing. The same reason you stole my bomb was you didn't know what the fuck you were doing. Both situations, you didn't know what the fuck you were doing. And again, and that's probably because you waste time bothering people like me. Bothering people like me that done what? What have I done to you? Yeah, you're gonna stop talking now. How's that warrant coming? You'll probably get it too, just on your alleged smell, just making it up. No, I ain't barricaded. They said that you let me to let them in. And I ain't letting them in without a warrant. Because, like I said, the first thing they did, maybe if they talked to me different, but the first thing they did was threaten me with Rhonda and act like total smartasses. That's the first thing they did.
Alpha 16.
And I'm exercising my First Amendment right now. I'm in my own apartment. I'm in my own apartment, mind you. My own apartment. My own apartment.
9 Alpha 16.
Every time it says 16, I want to hit the button.
10 4. Start to 356 South Locust Street for undesirable card by Sheilyn's boyfriend removed to Christopher Kane. 10 4. Alpha 16. 10-4. Can you cover with 13 on South Locust Street?
Did they claim odor? Of course they do. They also threatened me with Rhonda. That's what they also do.
That's right.
Hold on, I gotta drink this milk. Y'all still there to bother me.
We're still here.
What?
We're still here.
What? And I wish I could hear y'all. I wish I had a relationship with the police enough where I could trust y'all to talk to you without the door. Sadly, the first thing you do is come in here threatening me. Claiming an impossible odor, again. And threaten me with Rhonda, again. Because that's what y'all do. Y'all threaten people and extort people like Mr. McCash there. When he threatened me. Y'all remember that? It was months ago now. Mr. McCash there threatened me based on nothing after I was free to go. To the point that I had a meltdown.
More air freshener.
Because I'm fucking autistic. And then y'all use that against me too because y'all are assholes. And that's what y'all do. And like I said, meanwhile, dentists go free. Dentists go free. They go home. They walk because y'all didn't know what you were doing because you waste time bothering people that aren't really bothering anybody. That's what y'all do. That is what y'all do.
Told you, 87.
Units responding to North Potomac. Caller is not on scene. The knife was mentioned. She can just... 10-4. Units North Potomac Street.
Had it just in here.
In the apartment. This is occurring and she just hears them screaming at each other. It's for the apartment 14.
Damn computer's being stupid.
Calling.
More phone.
10-4.
I wonder if there's 3 copies of that. Already.
What's that?
I wonder if there's 3 copies of that trespass letter already.
Why?
Like, I think worst case we're gonna have to keep one so it's on file.
Yeah. First, we take it up, give it to Pam, and then she puts it in.
Oh, to confirm the DOB 86 of 85.
Ooh, it's a woman in there.
I'm not showing anything in CAD, nothing came back through.
I don't know how it's gonna go from 65 degrees today to 29 and 8 inches of snow tonight.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna stick. I mean, it might stick some if we get that much, but the ground's so warm.
Right.
I mean, we've had 2 days of 60-degree temperatures.
Please tell us there's 2 copies. Yay.
Perfect.
There's one at the office, I just left it for our copy or whatever.
We'll run the other one up, put it in Pam's box.
Yeah.
I'll fill it out here. He's gonna freeze. I'm just sliding on the door and we're gonna
Right.
consider that served.
Alpha 2.
It's hot up here, man.
Mm-hmm.
For your 43, at this time we have a destruction in progress holding. Caller advised juveniles were throwing bricks at his garage. About 6 to 8 juveniles. We have 2 now, 1 for real. Instead of North Kennedy,
Dustin.
on West Washington Street.
Hey, Dustin.
For destruction of property.
Do you want to open the door and get your no trespass letter? Do you want to come listen to me?
I'm coming, 1 second. Can you come in and say
I'll give it a second. I'd love to kick this thing.
What did you say?
Well, Dustin is no trespass. He cannot go to Community Action Council.
He said no trespassing.
To Community Action Council.
Who's trespassing?
There you go. He can read that. I'm not sure if he can read. If he needs me to read it to him, I can.
Effective immediately. Trespass.
Does he need me to read that to him? Dustin, you've been served. Go there and you will be arrested, okay? No, what we came here for was the smell of marijuana, which now smells like cologne because you sprayed cologne. Hey, Dustin, have a good night, buddy. Have a good night.
Good luck in life.